Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to create a custom lead capture form for your page. We'll be using this one as our example. To get started, what you'll do is go to the dashboard, which will be whatever your domain name is, /inbound marketing. You're going to go to capture and then go to website lead form. From the Power View, you'll click over to Form Manager, and this is where it will display all of the forms that you have available. You'll notice that these top four you're not able to edit or delete. Those are going to be the canned ones that come with your site. To create your own though, you just click this create form button and it will bring up a blank option for you to get started with. Since we've already got one going, I'm going to click on edit so you can see how this is going to work filled out. Bring it side by side. You'll fill out the title, which is what will show up in this top box here. Usually picking something that's going to tie in to the subject matter of the page is best, because that makes it a natural progression for somebody to actually fill out the form based on the information. That's one of the reasons why our customers that have at least one custom lead capture form on their site average about 45 leads, which is 9 times more than customers that have our sites that are just using our canned forms. So it is very much worth the short time to go in and create some targeted forms for each of your pages. You'll see that with this example, we're actually really closely tying it into first-time property buyers by keeping with some of those same keywords of buying your first home and things like that. That help make it targeted, and the more targeted you can make the lead capture, the more likely it is somebody is going to fill it out. What you'll do as well is you'll give it a short description using things like no obligation, that type of language, things to really just kind of set people's mind at ease. Think about how you want to be talked to as a customer and what concerns you would have if you saw a form like this on your own site, and then adjust accordingly. Each one of these sections is a group right here. You can customize what this says. The only thing that's required for each and every form is a name and an email. That is so you can actually add them to your email drip campaigns once as they become leads. You can include things like phone numbers. There's a number of different fields you can choose from. Other lets you type in anything you want to. You can use these arrows to rearrange the form however you wish to. If you wanted them to have a little bit more typing room, you can click that and they'll get a longer box. If you need to remove a section, you just click the little delete here. With this one, usually you can get by with just these 3 options, or even just these 2 for a lot of the forms. Since this is one that is more about purchasing your first home, I wanted to make sure that I got a little bit more information, but not necessarily a whole lot, because people don't want to fill out long forms. And as you can see, I didn't make any of this required. If I'd wanted a phone number, I would check that box. Most people are fine parting with their name and email. Phone numbers are very guarded. So this is essentially one example that I would use to set this up. And then once you've got it set the way you want it to, you just hit save. And from there, you can either go back to the Power View and enable it on any of the pages. So you've got excited to buy your first home, and you'll see that we have it assigned to a buyer's contact group, but I could even change that to a first-time buyers group as well that I've got in here. So first-time home buyers. So now my marketing will be even more targeted with that. And that's one way that custom lead capture forms can help you get better leads and be able to market more efficiently to them. Thanks.